May I know your full name, please?
Sir, my full name is Muhammad Yasin Rana. My family members and my friends call me Yasin. If you feel free, you can call me Yasin. It's my full name and it's my nickname.
Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Cumilla, which is the most famous city in Bangladesh. Cumilla, lot of visiting places such as the Salvan Bear, Magic Paradise, and as well as Buddha Bear. And Cumilla also famous for our sweet meat and Roshmalai. And right now, Cumilla also famous for our political leader Hasnat Abdullah.
Hasnat Abdullah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you like politics?
Actually, sir, I don't like politics.
Okay, Mr. Yasin, now I'm going to ask you some questions about your hobbies. What's your favorite hobby and why?
My favorite hobby traveling. I love traveling all so much, and when in my free time, I try to try visit another places such as the Sylhet and Chattogram.
Okay. When did you visit Cox's Bazar?
When I was studying my college, me and my teachers and my friends visited Cox's Bazar, and we are enjoy a lot, and we took a lot of picture.
Okay. Mr. Yasin, what types of people do you like?
Actually, I like honest person and kindly-hearted person, and they are helps to each other. I like this person.
In your opinion, which is the most peaceful country in the world?
I think that is Switzerland. Switzerland is mind.
Switzerland.
Yes, sir, Switzerland mind-blowing places. When I watch Switzerland natural view is amazing, sir.
Okay, Mr. Yasin, this is the end of your speaking test and wishing you all the very, very best and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.